My face is already primed. When I take this foundation by L'Oreal, I'm going in with the L'Oreal True Match foundation and the color Hot Chocolate. My face is prepped for foundation, so just let's go in with the foundation. And this is a new beauty blender. But it's wow, it is really good. It's putting on the foundation as it should be. Okay, beauty blender. Wow, pretty good. I'm gonna take a little bit more of that L'Oreal, place some on the back of my hand, and go ahead and do the other side of my face. Wow, it's raining outside, guys. We are getting some of the effects from the hurricane already. Let's talk about this hurricane that is coming our way, Hurricane Florence. It has already emerged into a Category 4 hurricane, and they said it's going to be targeting the Carolinas, and most people have left. I want to move on to eyes. I've always been pretty good at doing my eyebrows. Like one time, I did my eyebrows so good. Like they had looked so bomb at one time. I'm gonna take some of this Nars concealer, and this is another product that I want to talk to you guys about. Now this Nars concealer, I have used it out. I have heard great reviews about this concealer, so when I went to go get it, I already knew it was going to be bomb, and it has been bomb. Today I'm not typically using a concealer for anything but underneath my eyes. I'm not really sure. I don't have much left, that's probably why. So I'm not. Yeah. Alright, done with the eyebrows, and everybody knows eyebrows usually take up a lot of YouTubers' time, everyday women's time, superstars' time. Eyebrows take up a lot of time, but we did that pretty quickly, so let's move on. This is another product I want to talk to you guys about really fast. This Maybelline Fit Me concealer is really bomb as well. It's not as creamy as the Nars concealer, but this is a really nice concealer. So I'm going to take it underneath my eyes. Underneath my eyes. I'm going to take it in my chin area. I'm going to take it underneath my nose. I'm going to take it on the bridge of my nose. I'm going to take it a little up some. To full coverage, so if you want to build it up, if you need to build it up, you can. That's what I'm going to do now. Take some setting powder and just let it sit. Everything's set. Let's go ahead and work on the eyes. So for the eyes, I'm going to be going in again today with the Moroccan Fenty Beauty by my girl Rihanna. Isn't this palette so nice? Okay, this palette's nice. Yes, it says it's a nice palette. So let's see what shades I will be using today. See the shadow I'm taking? I love her shades. I love her whole collection. It's a beautiful, well thought out, well designed collection. Take that same shadow, Spice Trip. So we're gonna take some more Spice Trip. I'm gonna put that in the crease. Okay, now taking Hennessy, and let me take a sip of my orange juice for that. Okay, I love how she did that. Hennessy. Okay, like someone took a big bottle of Henny and dumped it in a sea, and then this is how this color was created. I actually want to use my other eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna take the ankle crease brush, so we're gonna put it on here, tap it, and then go in. I'm taking, what color is this? Nuts and dates. We're gonna take some nuts and dates. And put that all over the lid. Also taking this is an eye crease brush, but I'm gonna use it. Now going in with, so taking this foundation stick in the Ebony brown, but I'm not using it for foundation. I'm using it for contour. This is brand new out of the packaging, never has been opened. This is an F Precision sculpting brush. So we're just not opening this since out of the packaging. So pretty. I'm just gonna go with this. Oh, so pretty. It's so pretty. So let's get precise with this. Going in with my True Complexion contour palette. It's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Just taking that and just taking a sculpting powder, just going over the top of my contour and face. We can move on and put on these lashes real quick. By the way, these lashes are by LA Girl. I purchased them from Family Dollar as well for X amount of dollars. I got the lash glue and the lashes for under $10. Alright, that's the lashes on. They look beautiful. They're nice. They are nice lashes for only $3. These are some quick lashes that you can put on real quick and go out on a quick date. I'll go ahead and set my face. Okay. Taking this highlight brush by Elle. So I'm going to go on with this rosy pink, dark pink color and use that. Taking a blush brush by Elle. Taking that, getting the brush, tapping some off and going in. I want this highlight to look a little wet, so I'm going to take a MAC, dip it in that highlighter. It was going with this Maybelline Superstay in the color Believer. And since my look is a little bit purpley, I thought why not go in with a purple Hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me today. Hope you enjoyed some of the products that I talked about. All the products that I use will be in the description bar below. And as always, have a wonderful day. If you're in South Carolina, keep safe from the storm. And if not, just have a great day. Enjoy yourself, and I'll see you later. Bye.